First and only cafe in Bulacan na may painting studio. Sa Marilao lang pala to. Tara! Yung mga kanus, alam niyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kami ay napadpad dito sa ground floor ng Real Building Ibayong Marilao, Bulacan sa tapat lang ng SM Marilao upang mag-painting session dito sa The Artist and Me. They have an indoor air-conditioned studio na may few tables sa harap kung saan pwede kayo kumain at tumambay. At sa harap naman ito ang kanilang painting studio. As you can see, marami ditong painting na nakadisplay na gawa mismo ng mga nakaraang guests na rito. Sa halagang 1,000 pesos, pwede ka na mag-painting session na may kasamang coffee and snack or wine and chips, depende sa gusto mo. Plus, the canvas and painting materials ay kasama na din at you can bring it home as a souvenir. O diba, sa murang halaga, may experience mo na magpaka Leonardo da Vinci, mapa kids, teens, or adults ay magugustuhan mag-painting dito. Dahil kahit zero knowledge ang skill mo sa painting, hindi ka uuwi dito na zero. For the painting session, you can choose a sample painting na gagayahin mo or you can also search sa internet ang gusto mong i-painting. After that, there are senior art instructors na nandito like Sir Arvin to guide you kung paano mo sisimulan at kung ano ang dapat mong gawin. Meron din silang ino-offer na painting class sessions that consist 8 sessions for as low as 6,400 for kids at 7,000 pesos for adults. And for their cafe, pwede mo i-try ang kanilang ice and hot coffee drinks like salted caramel latte and iced americano with rock salt and cheese for iced coffee at cappuccino at cafe mocha for hot coffee. Pwede din mag-milk tea like winter QQ and taro. Kung hindi ka nagkakape, pwede ka naman mag-lemonade like this lemon Yakult at honey calamansi under fruity drinks. At pwede ka din naman mag-wine and chips if gusto mo ng something with an alcohol. For their food naman, for pasta, pwede ka mag-creamy pesto chicken, bacon and mushroom pasta, and salted egg tinapa pasta na masarap. Something different to try dahil sa hint ng tinapa at salted egg. And yes, lahat ng pasta ay ganito ang serving at walang tapon. For sandwiches naman ay meron cheese pimiento, ham and cheese, chicken and tuna. At meron din 3 cheese pesto panini at grilled cheese sandwich for a delectable sandwich treat. Meron din silang cheese stick, mixed bowls, and potato fries. Open nga pala sila from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. every day. May parking area sila at may wifi din. So ano pa hinihintay nyo? Bring out the artist in you na at mag-visit sa The Artist and Me. Let's go!